said for that charger did assault with a rifle. For that little charger did assault with a rifle. Yo. Alright, hey y'all. We are back with another one with this Halloween edition. I'm not sure how many we have, but we have enough. We are about to let me get off this because we don't need this. We are about to react to Roxk Da Bity by Boomer 2 times, Kelly 3. I don't know how he pronounced it. Lizzo and Kelly Play. So we don't know how to say their names. Yeah, we don't. Cause this is the first time I ever really looked at their names. Only one I know how to say Boom 2 times. That's because it say Boom and 2X. Yeah. Well, I would have said Boom 2X instead of 2 times, but okay. So let's go. You recording? Y'all ready?
They do it. They do it.
I'm for real.
Oh, y'all ready?
I'm trying not to rap because this thing is pulling my mustache and it hurts.
Put on the table, back in the buddy. Pressing the issue, shit up in the bubble, y'all got a hold in your stomach. Said, hold boom, don't put a dick on me.
I'ma walk through the hill like a rich homie.
Get the fucking
bitch with my stick on me.
I'm high as a bitch like a Molly. Little bitch that can fuck shit Barbie.
Get the pop, my shit, I'm a spark. I cap in this bitch and get be out the
Hey, I'm high as a bitch like a Molly. Little bitch that can fuck shit Barbie.
Get the pop, my shit, I'm a spark. I cap in this bitch and get be out the party. Kiss me on the block, bitch, I'm cream, go pick up the money like Joe with a dick. For sure, bitch.
I don't know what he was saying.
I don't know what he said, but I know he was like, let me go back. He said, someone pick up their money like the church with a deacon. But I don't know, because this boy rapping. What's his name?
I don't know.
I think that's Lil Zo.
I'm going to say, I thought that's Clee.
Nah, that's Kai. That's Kai right there. KLE3. That's Kai.
Bitch, I never knew that.
Yeah, that's, you know, Boom 2
yeah.
times, yeah. Lil Zo. I guess that's Lil Zo.
That might be Lil Zo.
Yeah, I think
that's
the last one. The little
yeah, that
one.
makes sense.
Yeah. Okay, let's see
He
what he said.
Lil Zo. He ain't got no choice.
Yeah, you gonna be Lil Zo today.
Be like a Marley. Let bitch think of fuck shit Barbie. Get the pop, my shit, I'm a spark. I cap in this bitch and get be out the party. Kiss me on the block, bitch, I'm cream, go pick up the money like church.
Catch me on the block, bitch, I'm Creed.
That's what he said.
That's what it sounded like he said.
Oh, I thought he said, catch me on the block, bitch, I'm creeping and pick up the money
Oh,
like a
okay. Maybe he said creep. No, he said some other things before. Creeping.
Get the pop, my shit, I'm a spark. I cap in this bitch and get be out the party.
Yeah, I did lyrics right now. He said Creed.
Yeah, catch me on the block, I'm Creed. Bitch, and pick up the money in church with the deacons. Yeah.
One more time. I'll talk to that one. Y'all
I
need
tell you, this boy rapping.
Y'all need to
but I don't know what he said.
Y'all need to put y'all lyrics out there, cause
yeah, cause okay, let me stop. Cause I want to know what Tay said, what Boomer 2 times said if Junior had it broke down. Cause put a boy on a t-shirt, I wouldn't got that at all.
Kiss me on the block, bitch, I'm cream, go pick up the money like church with a dick. We shoot up your shit for no reason. I know we fight one-on-one, bitch, your shit gon' be leaking. I am a big bitch at your table, this serve your little brother up, he like a bitch at the table. I swear I don't like him, I hate it. If I catch the boy licking that traffic, he gon' meet his mate. Ballin' and boom on the back, just shoot up your block, spin again like a CD on repeat. Nigga just talking, don't move me. Fill up the whip with 100 and slide like a jet ski. I got the pants like a blessing. Call me Mayweather, I beat her, the bitch is pressure. Please go boom in 3, turn up the beat, don't care about
He said, call me Mayweather, I beat up the pack cause it's pressure.
Popper, he rapping.
Pack it out.
no plea.
And feeling broke. Hit a two, go spin the hood. Stick like a good top. And I still don't know. In the hood, I was fucking with Zoe. We were fucking on cougars. Lil' boy, we be wildin' on ADHD. Like a minute in the middle, I got steps on him. Lil' boy, we be wildin' on ADHD. Like a pack in the mail, I got stamps on him. Got it, you need it, we got it.
said, for that charge did assault with a rifle. For that little charge did assault with a rifle. Yo.
My niggas deep and all of the soap.
Y'all niggas drowning in my niggas' soap. I let it stick. I think that it's toast.
Who put the link of this in the bio?
See, I think I got this shit banging too.
Hey.
Okay, I feel like y'all gonna be on some hood shit that day.
Okay.
I know I look like I'm Miami.
Okay. I look like a child in the 50s, 1950s.
Okay, I'm done.
But that was our reaction to Roxk Da Bity by all them people.
Yeah! You can't go through this dance again.